came across these really silly looking toes that attach to the top of your Crocs. If you're interested in something like this, you can head over to makerworld.com and just search for croc toes, and you'll find the files right there. For this print, I used a skin-colored PLA. Just print the toes and the little posts that slide up from the inside of the croc to secure into the toes. Installation isn't very hard. You're going to take the stud, put it on the inside of the croc till it's sticking through just like that. Then on this one you take the big toe, and it just slides right in place. And then you'll do the rest of the toes across the front, so that looks like that when you get them all in. There we go. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Even the kitty doesn't like it. It is kind of freaky looking. But I might take that to the mall later and walk around. Freak people out a little bit. But if you're bored this winter, need some 3D printing stuff to have fun with, that might just do the trick. Have a good one. See y'all later.